Cebu 637, descend 9,000. RPC 2011, request your estimate, Morix. Cebu 637, Roger, after Victor Papa 27 Bravo for BPT 09. Cebu 636, continue climb level 310. RPC 2011, confirm able due traffic from Nomio direct Morix. RPC 2011, Roger, descend 8,000. Cebu 636, traffic info, opposite direction King Air, past Nomio descending, from Nomio proceeding direct Morix. Medevac 81708, Roger, next report 20 miles, QNH 1010. Roger, Papa X-ray. Medevac 81708, Vice to join Galio at 4,000. Cebu 261, Roger, expect to hold over the VOR at 6,000. Tower approach. Request arrival time, Cebu 637. Okay, Airfield 2785, descend 7,000. RPC 2011, descend and hold 4,000. Airfield 2348, Roger, stop climb 5,000.